Looking for a new monitor to upgrade your setup in 2024? Here are our top picks. HP Omen 27i. This 27-inch 1440p monitor is best for both work and gaming, as it has a high refresh rate of 165 Hz, NVIDIA G-Sync, and an elegant design to complement your classy setup. BenQ EX2780Q, another 27-inch monitor with 1440p resolution. This monitor won't drag your gaming experience with its 144 Hz of refresh rate, 400 nits of brightness, and good built-in speakers, which is saying something. Asus ProArt PA278QV, slightly cheaper but with well-rounded specs. This monitor is a good option if you want color-accurate visuals. It has a 1440p resolution with a 75 Hz refresh rate and sRGB technology for color accuracy. Samsung Odyssey G9. Ready to glow up your entertainment room? Samsung Odyssey G9 49-inch monitor will give you the premium viewing experience with its crisp 5120x1440 resolution, 240 Hz refresh rate, and 1 ms of response time. Dell G2723H. And finally, a cheaper option for gamers with tight budgets. This 27-inch monitor has an IPS display, 1920x1080 resolution, 280 Hz refresh rate, and 1 ms response time.